Let us talk about a few tips and tricks which will help you crack the GATE IT exam. You must be aware about the whole syllabus of GATE before preparing for the exam. Please ensure you go through the whole syllabus thoroughly. For GATE Information Technology, make sure you prepare for the programming language questions well. See previous year question papers and practice them beforehand. Make sure earlier you want to prepare through coaching or by self-study. Give equal priority to each subject while preparing for the exam. You can also check the Prep Guru app of Youth for Work for the preparation of exam using various mock tests. And most importantly, join a test series to evaluate your knowledge of key concepts and whole subjects in advance. So if you value the content of our video and find it relevant, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.